Okay, hello, you trader nerds. It is a wacky Tuesday. Welcome in. Market was all over the place today, wasn't it? Look at this 11,000 average contracts. Are you kidding me? That's a big number coming in there at the end today. And it looks like it was mostly bullish, popping us up. So we're up 13 and a half points, up a little over a quarter of a percent for the day. And VIX is at almost 15. We'll call it 14. And, just another day in paradise, baby. Let's see how the volume profile did. The volume profile does what the volume profile does. It picks where we're going to go and what is overbought and oversold. And look what we did. This is an inflection point, inflection. And this is resistance, y'all. It just is. It's support, it's resistance, it's support, it's resistance. You see it time and time again. This 5270 is an area that we are watching. So what do we think now? We think probably that it's going to fill in these areas right here and may go back to the point of control, but we're fairly priced now. So very, very good. This is the greatest indicator known to man right here, the big green monster. Big green monster tells you where price is going and where support and resistance is. Support and resistance. So let's go to the mega account today. Let's see how we're doing in this account. So it says here we're at 187,211. 187,211. Let's see if that's in case. 187,211. So we're down a little bit, 211 from the last time that we traded. Darn it. But we're having a good year. Let's see. Up through March, we were at, where are we at? 6.56%. So we're doing really, really good. So let's see what else we got going on here. So let's go our Gregson ratios for the day. Let's find this account. So this one is this one right here. So let's trade this one. Take this off and take this off. There we go. Now we got it. So let's see what we're at. We're at 365, 222, 365, 222, 365, 222. 222. And we said that VIX is a 14 handle, almost 15. So we're a little bit too long. Look at this, y'all. We're a little bit too long, and our buying power is crunching up at, let's see, we don't want to include Bill. So we're at 96,000. Ooh, excuse me. Good Lord. Why'd that go up so much? We're at 51%, y'all. Wow. I don't know what to say. I'm just like, why did that go up so much? Let's look at this. I must have had some things to expire or something. I don't know what the problem is. Let's see if we got any expiring positions over here. Trade. Let's see. Auto close date. Nothing that shows that it's expired, has it? Okay. So things look a little bit wiry. Now, here's how you handle this, y'all. Let me just show you how you handle this, and I think this is the way you do it. Is you probably need to take something off, right? So we've got all these PDSs here, PDS. Our oldest naked put is naked put 13 here. So let's see if we can take him off for a profit. There's 4 of them. Naked put 13. Let's see if we can find those. So let's go to groups, naked put 13. Y'all help me find it. If you see it's green, naked put 13. There it is. Yep. So naked put 13 is at 82% profit. So what you do is you just take it off. Close position, close all 4 of them. And we're going to close it as cheaply as we can. We'll try 270, see if we can get a feel. Nothing. So let's go back and let's go working and change this. There we go. Now we'll replace that order. 270, we'll go to 275 and see if we can get out of those. And we are out, baby. Waka. 275. So let's say, wait a minute, Bobby. Now hold on a dang minute. I thought you said you was going 95% or you was going to close them at 21 to 30 days. That's what the plan says. That's exactly what the plan says. But that is subject to your portfolio metrics. And my portfolio metrics said that I needed to take that off. So you and I made $2,435.44. Isn't that great? Now let's look and see what our little stuff is here. So now we're at 342, 184, 342, 184, 342. Boy, it took off a lot of theta, didn't it? 184. And then our stuff here went to a buying power of, let's see what our buying power changed to. And let's do this. Let's see, how do you do it? Positions, and then you do cap requirement, and then you do cap requirement, and then you do it like this or something. So now it's 74,390. 74,390. Boy, that took off a lot, y'all. Let's see if that's right. That doesn't even look right. 74,390. It says 84,363. Huh. 84,363. Let's see what that looks like. 84,363. All right, we got down that's 45%. We're still a little long, y'all. Just a little long. Let's see what else we got here. 61. Now, the easiest way, if I wanted to get that back down, is I could simply sell a call, or I could buy a put, or do something of that nature to kind of get me back where we need to be with our deltas. Because it says that I need to be around, what, 281 or 187. So we're a little long still. Let's see if there's something else that I could take off. I just want to take off a little bit just to get myself a little bit in a little bit deltas, take it off. So let's go here and let's go to naked put 14. Let's see how big of a profit those things are. Naked put 14. Just take a little bit more off. Naked put 14. And here we are. And he is at 81% profit. Let's just take him off. I love this, y'all. This is portfolio control. This is portfolio management, y'all. If y'all can do this, y'all can do anything. This is just getting your Greeks a little bit more in order. So let's see, where did it go? Is that the one I just did? Yeah, okay, 422, that's it, 4 there. So let's go replace order, try to do 295. And fill me, baby. Not yet. Let's do it one more time. One more time. Replace order, 295. We'll go $3, and I ain't going a penny above. There we go. So we pennied it up to $3. Let's see how much money we made there. That's here, $3. And we made a little bit of profit here. Control your colon. And we made $2,535, which is $4,970 we made today, y'all. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? Isn't that fun how you do it? And let's see what that did to our Greeks and ratios. So we were at 342. So now we're at 316, 144. 316, 144. 316, 144. That takes it down just a little bit more. I don't like my theta going down so much, but this is fine. And then our buying power is at 84,363. So let's refresh all of that. Refresh, cap requirement, do that little refreshing thing. And so now we are at 72,179. 72,179. Let's put that in. 72,179. I still don't like it that I've got a little bit too much, here, y'all. I got a little bit too much delta there. So let's see how many deltas above than we are where we need to be. 35. It's not bad. But you know what you could do is let's go to our thing and show what we could do. Okay. Let's go to our trading plan. So trading plan is this. And let's see portfolio adjustments. See, we've got a plan that tells us whatever we need to do. If any of the Greeks and trade metrics, delta, theta, or buying power are violated, well, my deltas are violated. Permission is granted, subject to my risk tolerance to adjust the portfolio by closing profitable positions, rolling losing positions to extend trade duration. We don't have any losing positions really. I can sell 10 delta calls nearest to 60 days expiration. I could do that. I could sell a futures contract. If I wanted negative 50 deltas, I could sell an MES contract, or I could buy cheap protective puts to reduce the portfolio buying power, 14 DTE for approximately 30 cents. We could do that. Close losing position or close the short in the put debit spread. So these are all different things that I could do. So I could buy a cheap put, 14 DTE, 30 cents. Let's see what that looks like. 14 DTE at 30 cents. See how many deltas negatives. 14 DTE at 30 cents. So let's say ES trade. We go to 14 days. We said 30 cents. Now, why did I pick 30 cents? I don't even remember. But let's look at it. It cost me $15. Let's see, 30 cents. See how many deltas this will give me if I bought something for 30 cents. So that would be about here. If we bought that for 30 cents, that would give me -5 theta. And I don't really like having that. And it says 0 delta. But, undoubtedly it would have some effect and it would increase my buying power by a little bit. But, I just don't think I'm going to do that. I think what I did is I reduced if you go back and watch the video, we reduced our directional risk significantly by taking off 2 profitable trades. We got our theta down a little bit, which I don't like. I wish my theta was still at 0.1 or more. And what we did do is take our buying power up from 51% down to 38%. So the question you got to ask yourself, am I satisfied with being over my deltas by 35? And I guess the answer is, yeah, I'm good with that. I'm a little long. Now, that doesn't necessarily align with what our little chart's saying, because our chart says, hey, baby, we're probably going to go here, and then we're going back down to here. So this is kind of a overall bearish look. But when you go to the linear regression, linear regression is certainly bullish. And we see that because we've already come down, right? Linear regression tells me that we're going this way. So I think we're fine with the deltas that we have. Yeah, hey, Al.
Hey, your real theta is probably higher than that because don't you have a lot of black
Exactly. You are exactly right, Al. Yes, you're right. So I shouldn't worry about my theta. And you bring that up quite often and I forget it, but you're exactly right. What Hal is saying is that we have, now remember, this is Mr. Bertino himself, has told us that those black swan hedges are fake theta. The theta, the negative theta that we're getting from those are completely and utterly fake. So we really could take that theta out and my theta is probably much higher. You're exactly right. So actually, if I wanted to get my deltas more in line, I could actually close additional trades, but I think I'm fine where I'm at. I think overall we're fine. We're bullish. We're where we're at, and I think we're in a good place. All right. All right, y'all. I appreciate you so very much. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see y'all tomorrow.